Hi everyone, this is the preview of my project. So let's get started. So I'm using this watercolor paper and some deli print paper, then some napkins. And then jelly print papers. So now I'm going to use the water brush and paint on that and tear it. Then it tears easily on the napkin. Then I'm going to use gel medium. And then I'm going to stick this on the page. So for the napkins, you should not put too much gel medium, otherwise it will tear. So now I'm using this printed deli paper. Then I'm using this other deli paper also in this. Then I'm tearing this jelly print paper. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way uh, you will not miss my videos as I post it. So I'm adding this jelly print paper. Then I'm going to add the small pieces which was the leftover from the other project. And I'm going to add that also in this. Then I'm going to use this jelly print paper, which is um, like a deli paper. So now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm going to trim it once it dries up. Now I'm using this gel sticks, um, and then you can use any brand in this. You can even use gelatos. So any gel sticks is okay. So I'm using that and I'm going to blend it. You can use watercolor, you can even use acrylic paint in this. I always like to experiment it, so I'm trying um, different mediums in this. So now I'm using acrylic paint. Then I'm going to add black paint in this. Now I'm going to try it. Now I'm using this number stamp. Now I'm going to use the watercolor, acrylic paint and then darken a little bit. Not everything, but just like few of them. Then I'm going to just scribble and uh, do the mark making. Then I'm going to use the white acrylic paint and I'm going to splatter on the top. Then I'm going to now dry everything. Then I'm going to stamp on the bottom of the page. Then now I'm going to um, scribble with the pen. So now I'm going to dry it. Then I want to keep this focal point, but before that I needed to color the edges. So I'm using the Posca pen and just coloring the edges. Now I'm going to use the glue and stick on this project. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.